we're gonna eat the hummus and the pita bread. You know, is it pita bread? Yeah, I don't know, but anyway, this is a really yummy one. So we're gonna eat with the yogurt sauce, cucumber yogurt sauce, and eggs and some, rocket, arugula. It's not really Greek, but it's kind of Greek yogurt, which means less watery, right? Less watery yogurt. Maybe 2 tablespoons. And I like this grater, the cucumber, grate directly on the yogurt. Messy. And a little salt, some pills. The garlic, right? So we have a garlic all the time, peeled garlic from frozen. Maybe this one. Mix. Hands, fingers are always great tool. Yeah, it looks so good. A little bit lemon. Just a teaspoon of lemon. Because I don't want to be so watery. I'm gonna test it. Super good. Super good. Honey-chan.